markets. We are going to get a lot of strategies for you to trade. First up will be Yogesh Mehta, the Associate Vice President of PCG Advisory at Motilal Oswal. Some F&O strategies actually from Yogesh. Good morning, Yogesh. Good to have you with us. Are you trading the Nifty at all?
Yeah, Lata, good morning. We do trade Nifty and Bank Nifty in these days because markets are in a consolidation range since last 8-10 sessions now.
Okay, so what's the strategy on the Nifty, Bank Nifty?
See, currently, Lata, Nifty is quoting at around spot is 8780. We are looking at, last time also Wednesday I mentioned that 8710.20 remains a strong support and 8820 remains a key hurdle. So market is moving in this range since last 8 to 10 sessions. So again, we are looking at the same thing. And unless it breaches 8720 with the volume supportive on the key rational factors, till then we will be on the long side on the markets. If it breaks 8720 decisively, then we can look at 8600, 8550 to 8600 levels. But till then, it is in the trend is still intact. So 8820 to 8720. On Bank Nifty front, currently Bank Nifty is around 20,330. We think that the Bank Nifty post results and all the events which has been unfolded from last week, like RBI meeting and all. So now the volatility is now subsiding, and we are looking at 20,600 to 20,000 would be the range for Bank Nifty. Okay. Currently it is 20,330. We can look at 20,450 as a target and keeping 2250 as a stop loss.
Okay, well, we have some news coming in on Dr. Reddy's, where they have recalled over 5,900 bottles of an antipsychotic drug in the US. Now, Lata, generally these are voluntary recalls which they do on a regular basis by all companies. We heard of Sun Pharma some time back as well. Even Aurobindo, actually that's quite a large amount that they've recalled, 29,800 pantoprazole injections in the US. So that'll be something that we'll need to monitor in terms of the reason for the recall, as well as whether it is in fact a voluntary recall or not. But most likely it should be a voluntary recall, something that is initiated by the company, and the risk of the recall is very low. Sometimes it's mislabeling and things like that. So,
okay, well, I guess ICTA will be busy writing away to the two companies to check out with the voluntary or otherwise nature of the recall as well as the reasons. We will keep you posted in a minute. Yogesh, meanwhile, if you could take us through your trading strategies.
Yeah, sure. We are recommending buy Hexaware. Currently it is quoting at 210, keeping a stop loss of 205. One will look at 280 as the price target. The other one we are looking at Coal India to go long, and currently it is 318, 319 levels, keeping a stop loss of 314. Target could be 333 to 335 range. And Just Dial, which has given a decent breakout from current levels. 440 is the current price, and 435 was exactly breakout point. So we are keeping 430 as a stop loss, keeping 460 as a near-term target, and 490 on the longer-term target.
All right, thank you very much, Yogesh. Sudarshan Sukhani has also joined us. Good morning yet again to you, Sudarshan. You had told us that you would wind up your longs